Hi, my name is Brandon and I'm from Woodworking and Design, and today I'm going to show you how I made this layered cutting board using mahogany and maple. First I went and grabbed my nice pieces of mahogany and maple, and then I rough cut all of the pieces to about 15.5 inches and made sure that they were all close to the same length. Later I will trim them down to 15 inches. Next I edge joint the sides of the maple and the mahogany just to get a nice smooth contact when I'm gluing the boards up to make sure that there's no gaps. And then once I edge joint it, I use the other edge and rip the strips to the desired length. After having all of my strips cut to the length that I want them to, I set them up without glue just to make sure that they will fit and there are no spaces in between. Once I like the layout, I prep it ready for glue up. Spread out the glue on each edge and then I will tape it together. Once the glue is dried, I remove all of the clamps that I had and the support pieces to keep everything level. I couldn't get that piece off, it was stuck with glue, so I had to go over and grab my wooden mallet that I just actually won in a giveaway from Cunningham Woodworks. Came in really handy. So there's my rough piece. I then cut it to the exact dimension that I wanted before planing it down. Next I plane it down to get rid of the excess glue and to just ensure that it's flat. Once I've planed, I take it to the sander and I sand it up to 240 grit. After sanding, I decided to use my new edge router that I got from Wen Products. And I used a simple round over bit on the top to give it a nice finish. After routing and everything's ready, I used Howard's Butcher Block conditioner to put a food safe finish on top of the cutting board. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We'd really appreciate it. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to see any of our future videos.